Great, guys.
Simply innovative.
Like family.
If you ask us what makes us tick, everyone says something different. We have both our feet firmly on the ground, some say. Our products can withstand any load. No challenge will make us falter, others affirm. We understand the world of our customers. We deliver as promised.
So what now, you ask?
All of them are right, we say. Because our common bound is the we. We are an Austrian company with subsidiaries in Hungary, Slovenia, Germany, France, the Czech Republic, Slovakia, Poland, Romania, and Croatia. No matter where in Europe, we are enthusiastic about what we do. We produce construction chemical products that are always up to date. Around 3,000 products that we tailor exactly to the requirements of our customers. Who are they, you want to know? The tilers, the floor layers, the painters and interior decorators, the contractors, the floor and surface coaters, as well as the waterproofers. We pay attention to uncompromising quality that can cope with any trend. We are constantly developing our solutions to guarantee their durability. In one sentence, together we create permanence. MUREXIN in 2 words, it lasts.